Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 biology MCQs quick revision part 4. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear viewers, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Insulin controls blood glucose level and storage of glycogen and is produced in option A pancreas, B pituitary gland, C adrenal gland and option D parathyroid gland. So the correct option is A pancreas. Explanation is insulin is produced by pancreatic beta cells. What is the maximum rise in serum amylase? Option A acute pancreatitis, B acute pancreatitis, C chronic pancreatitis and option D pancreatic cancer. So the correct option is B acute pancreatitis. The most dramatic amylase elevations occur in acute pancreatic inflammation. Dear viewers, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from any technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The alpha helix is stabilized by option A hydrogen bonds, B disulfide bonds, C salt bonds and option D non-polar bonds. So the correct option is A hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds between big bone groups have stabilized the helix. So this is very important MCQs. Which among the following is a nutritionally essential amino acid for men? Option A alanine, B glycine, C tyrosine and option D tryptophan. So the correct option is D tryptophan. Tryptophan must be obtained from the diet as human cannot synthesize it sufficiently. Milk is poor in option A cholesterol, B retinol, C calcium and option D iron. So the correct option is D iron. Explanation is milk is an inferior source of iron, which is why iron fortified formulas are needed for infants. Proteins contain option A only L amino acids, B only D amino acids, C DL amino acids and option D both A and B. So the correct option is A only L amino acids. With rare exceptions, proteins contain only L amino acids. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. Alpha cells of islets of Langerhans secretes option A insulin, B glucagon, C somatostatin and option D cholesterol. So the correct option is B glucagon. Explanation is the alpha cell produce glucagon which raises blood glucose level opposite to the insulin effects. Egg is poor in option A essential amino acids, B carbohydrates, C avidin and option D biotin. So the correct option is B carbohydrates. Eggs contain less than 1% of carbohydrates, making them essentially a protein and fat source. Cholesterol is present in all of the following except option A milk, B fish, C egg white and option D egg yolk. So the correct option is C egg white. While egg yolk is rich in cholesterol, Egg white contain virtually none. Milk and fish also contain cholesterol. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. Meat is rich in all of the following except option A iron, B fluorine, C copper and option D zinc. So the correct option is B fluorine. Meat is a good source of iron, copper and zinc but contains minimal amount of fluorine. So this is very important MCQs. Kwashiorkor usually occurs in option A the post-weaning period, option B pregnancy, C lactation and option D old age. So the correct option is A the post-weaning period. Kwashiorkor commonly affects children after weaning when their diet lacks sufficient protein. During starvation, the first reserve nutrient to be depleted is option A glycogen, B proteins, C triglycerides and option D cholesterol. So the correct option is A glycogen. Glycogen stores are exhausted within 24 hours of fasting before significant protein or fat breakdown occurs. Dear students, the deficient amino acid in pulses is option A leucine, B lysine, C tryptophan and option D methionine. So the correct option is D methionine. While pulses are rich in lysine, they tend to be deficient in methionine, making it their limiting amino acids. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Kwashiorkor occurs when the diet is severely deficient in option A iron, B calories, C proteins and option D essential fatty acids. So the correct option is C proteins. Kwashiorkor is a protein deficiency disease. Though calorie intake may be adequate, out of 200 different amino acids found in nature, how many are commonly present in proteins? Option A 20, B 25, C 40 and option D 35. So the correct option is A 20. While nature produces many amino acids, only 20 are incorporated into proteins. Peptide linkages are formed between option A nucleotide, B amino acids, C glucose molecules and option D sucrose. So the correct option is B amino acids. Explanation is peptide bonds connect amino acids and protein chains. Clinical features of Kwashiorkor include all of the following except option A mental retardation, B muscle wasting, option C edema and option D anemia. So the correct option is A mental retardation. The amino acid exist as deuterons when they are in option A solid state, B acidic solution, C alkaline solution and option D neutral solution. So the correct option is D neutral solution. A neutral pH of amino acids exists as polar ions with both positive and negative charges. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Collagen is very rich in option A glycine, B serine, C aspartic acid and option D glutamic acid. So the correct option is A glycine. Glycine makes up about 1/3 of collagen's amino acid content. All amino acids are optically active except option A glycine, B serine, C threonine and option D tryptophan. So the correct option is A glycine. Thank you for watching my videos.